Welcome to day number 12 of the 21-day challenge. More than halfway, well done. Today I wanted to continue on the memory thing, which is something that I'm reading a lot about at the moment. I just picked up a couple more books that I'm going to power through, and it's a really exciting space actually to actually improve your memory. To be able to remember more things is so incredible. And when I decided that I wanted to have a better memory, which I did about 2 or 3 years ago, and I started taking supplements and thinking about things, and now I'm looking at these strategies in these books which I hadn't come across before, and oh my God, it's amazing how effective they can be. So I'm just going to talk about this C principle that I have started to implement and how it's working for me. So just to explain what it is, C, it's an acronym. C is about the senses. So we use our olfactory, we use our sense of taste, our hearing, and of course, feeling, and our sight, which is our main one, of course. Now, when we try and remember something, what we want to do is actually use all the senses, as many as possible. And then you need to really experience it. Experience that. And then if you can, you want to extrapolate it, exaggerate it, make it huge, make it weird, make it different and unique. When you start to apply this C principle to trying to remember something, then you remember anything. If you want to remember a name, you can remember it. I'm going to talk more about remembering names using the C principle in the next video. That's all I'm going to share for this video because I want to keep it short, like always, nice and short, but the C principle, okay? We're going to address the C principle and how to use it, or how I've used it in the couple of weeks since I've even heard about it, in the next video. So I'll see you then. Have a good one.